Congratulations on successfully resolving your lemon law claim. Now that you've reached this milestone, it's essential to understand your rights and responsibilities as you navigate the next steps in the process. If you've received a replacement vehicle, thoroughly inspect it to ensure it meets your expectations and is free of any defects. Take the time to familiarize yourself with its features and functionality before driving it off the lot. Alternatively, if you've received a repurchase, verify that the refund amount is accurate and that all applicable costs, including the down payment, monthly payments, and any incidental expenses that are related to the lemon, are included. Also, make sure to confirm the loan or lease balance payoff. Remember to return the lemon vehicle to the manufacturer as specified in your agreement. Their guidance and support can help you navigate potential challenges and ensure a seamless transition to your new vehicle or refund. With careful attention to detail and proactive communication, you can confidently move forward, knowing that your lemon law claim has been successfully resolved. If you own a lemon or have any questions about a problematic vehicle you bought or leased in California, the lemon law experts can help. Our attorneys have recovered millions of dollars in compensation for lemon law consumers across the state since 2009. To learn more about the best options available for your case, contact our team at 877-721-4716 or visit us at www.nolaman.com.